Hello there, everyone! Gorbachev by Percy6 here, and inspired by Duck1172, I've decided to do a competition video, like a mini-series, not canon to my original. So let's meet the team. Team Edward. Edward, Percy, Donald, Emily, Boko, and Salty. Also, Wheel Decider chose the teams. Then Team Douglas includes Douglas, Ben, Fergus, Dodge, Derek, and Stepney. Team Daxton shows Daxton, the #1 engine, which I'm not going to mention because his name's mentioned too many times. James, Harvey, Mavis, and Rosie. Now, next team is Team Alfred. Includes Alfred, Gordon, Toby, Daisy, Marklin, and Bowler. Now let me get to the next scene. To the next team. Includes Lady, Henry, Oliver, Bill, Diesel, and Arthur. And finally, Team Stanley includes Stanley, Duck, Diesel 10, Splatter, Neil, and Neville. Okay, and those are all the teams, so we'll see you in episode 1, and shout out to Duck1172, say hi, on Google Hangouts. Guess you're not right now anymore. Anyways, so see you in episode 1, everyone. See ya!